Hello friends, this is a SSH program for finding a year is leap year or not. First of all, open the text editor and type the program hash /bin /bash and then save the program. Save the program as .ssh, then save. Echo enter a year and read year. For year by mod 4, then if mod d equal to 0, then echo leap year, otherwise else echo not leap year. Save it for run the file. Open the terminal. Open the terminal and type bash file name. Our file name is leap.ssh and enter the year. There is 2001. Here there is a line 5 has some error. We want to check it. 5 yes, spacing problem. And save the program and again we run, and 2004 yes, 2004 is a leap year and 2003 not leap year. Okay, please share, subscribe, like our channel. Thank you.